Why does saving money feel impossible, even when you know you should? What makes spending so automatic and saving so difficult? Most people try to save money by copying random tips: cut coffee, cancel subscriptions, stop eating out. But copying rarely works because it ignores your real spending drivers. Saving feels hard because you only see the surface of your spending. The real reasons hide underneath your habits, emotions, and environment. Most spending happens automatically, without conscious thought. Habits, convenience, and emotional triggers quietly drain money every day. Stress, boredom, loneliness, celebration. Emotions often control spending more than logic. Saving loses the battle before it begins. First principles thinking breaks money into its simplest parts so you can rebuild your financial habits from the ground up. Clarify exactly why you want to save money and what saving will unlock for your future. Clarity creates direction. Remove assumptions like saving means suffering or I must cut everything. First principles challenge beliefs that block progress. Identify the root cause of your spending: habits, environment, triggers, convenience, or lack of clarity. Fix the root, not the symptom. Design a simple system that makes saving automatic, that reduces friction, increases visibility, and rewards progress. Charlie Munger starts by clarifying the real financial problem. People don't know where their money actually goes. Munger removes assumptions like small purchases don't matter. He focuses on cumulative impact and long-term incentives. Munger digs for root causes, emotional triggers, convenience habits, and hidden recurring expenses that quietly drain wealth. Munger builds systems that make saving automatic: default transfers, friction barriers for spending, and clear visibility. Munger uses inversion. Instead of asking, "How do I save more?" he asks, "What causes me to overspend?" and removes those causes. An everyday person buys coffee daily without thinking. First principles reveal the habit loop driving the cost. The real issue isn't the coffee. It's the automatic routine triggered by convenience and emotion. Remove assumptions like "I need coffee to function." Challenge the belief and explore alternatives. The root cause is morning stress and lack of preparation. Fixing the cause reduces the spending automatically. Build a simple system. Prepare coffee at home. Set a morning routine and reduce friction for better choices. An everyday person pays for multiple subscriptions they barely use. The spending feels small, but the total quietly grows. The real issue isn't the subscriptions, it's the lack of visibility. Hidden costs thrive when you don't track them. Remove assumptions like "it's only a few dollars" or "I might use it someday." These beliefs keep the spending alive. The root cause is convenience and autopay. When spending is invisible, it grows unchecked. Build a simple system. Review subscriptions monthly, cancel unused ones, and set reminders before renewals. Another everyday leak is food spending: delivery, snacks, impulse buys. These small choices add up fast. Clarify the pattern. Most food spending happens when you're tired, stressed, or unprepared. Remove assumptions like cooking takes too long or delivery is just easier. These beliefs drive overspending. The root cause is lack of preparation. Without a plan, convenience wins and costs rise. Build a simple system. Prep meals, set a weekly food budget, and reduce friction for cooking. Clarity creates control. When you understand your spending, saving becomes a natural outcome, not a struggle. Small steps beat big effort. Tiny changes compound into meaningful savings over time. Fixing root causes collapses big financial problems into simple, solvable pieces. Systems make saving automatic. When your environment supports good choices, discipline becomes effortless. First principles thinking creates financial freedom by removing confusion and revealing truth. You become someone who sees money clearly, emotionally, not reactively, but intentionally. You become strategic, Every dollar has a purpose, and every choice aligns with your goals. You become disciplined, not through force, but through systems that make good choices easy. You become a first principles thinker, someone who solves money problems at the root. You become financially confident because you understand your system and trust your process. Choose one money problem today: spuctions, food spending, impulse buys, or emotional triggers. Clarify it, remove assumptions, find the root cause, and build a simple system. Start with one micro action today. Small wins create momentum. Remove one trigger: stress, boredom, convenience, or autopay. Removing one cause changes everything. Build one simple system today: meal prep, subscription review, or a weekly budget. Track one spending category for 7 days. Awareness alone reduces overspending. Reduce one friction point. Make cooking easier, make saving visible, or make spending harder. Ask Munger's question: what causes me to overspend? Remove one cause today. Pick one problem, build one system. Start today. Momentum begins with a single step. You are now a first principles thinker about money. Clarity, systems, and small wins will carry you forward. In the next episode, you'll learn how to use first principles to learn faster. Skills, knowledge, mastery, all rebuilt from the ground up.